Hey you guys, my name is James Diaz. Today we're going to go over You Look Like You Love Me by Langley and Riley Green. So let's get started. The chords and the strumming pattern, super simple. It's pretty much the same chords for the entire song. There's just one change with the bridge basically. But all the chords, it's going to be a B to a C sharp minor to an E to an F sharp, and then back to a B, and then an F sharp, and then you repeat those chords: B, C sharp minor, E, F sharp, B, C sharp minor, E, F sharp. Now it's just the bridge. It starts with the C sharp minor, then you go to an E, then you go back to a C sharp minor, and then you end the bridge on an F sharp. So what I'm going to do for you, I'm going to play the different parts of the song. I'm going to play the second verse and the chorus. All the verses are the same, you know, just different words. It's the same pattern of chords. Then I'll play the break for you, just so you can see where the chords are placed in the song. Then I'll go over the strumming pattern you could use for this whole song, and just a little picking thing that you could do if you want to, you know, because there is some picking in the song. So let's get started. For the intro to the song and in between the chorus and the second verse where Riley Green starts singing, you're going to play the same pattern of chords just one time through. So well, I was down at the local beer joint with a few of the guys when this cute little country girl caught my eye. And boy, let me tell you, she was the prettiest thing I'd ever seen in a pair of boots. Well, she walked right up to me and handed me a beer, gave me a look like, let's get on out of here. And that's when I realized that she was everybody's cowboy dream come true. She told me right here, she said. Then we're going to go to the chorus. So, excuse me, you look like you love me. You look like you want me. Want you to come on home. Baby, I don't blame you for looking me up and down across this room. I'm drunk and I'm ready to leave, and you look like you love me. Go to the bridge. So if you ever see a man in a cowboy hat and you think to yourself, I could use some of that, don't waste your time, just give him this line. It goes a little like this: excuse me. You go back into the chorus there. So those are all the parts. That's where all the chords are placed. Now we'll go over the strumming pattern. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. A picking thing that you could do for this song, it's gonna go something like this: excuse me, you look like you love me. You look like you want me to want you to come on home. And you'd probably play that for the verses instead, because there is a little bit of picking throughout this song. So what I'm doing is just, you play all the chords just like normal, and then I'm doing this picking pattern for every single chord. So you're gonna hit the top G string, and then the C string, so G to C, then to the bottom A string, then the E string, and the C string, and just repeat. So and you just change the chords when you're supposed to. So just, you know, a little better than that. that. But that's the picking pattern you could use. That's the strumming pattern you could use. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in another one.
His ukulele course just dropped. He's my brother. He taught me how to play ukulele, and I learned in less than 21 days. And you can too. That's our pitch. That's our mission statement. You'll learn all of the main awesome, popular, and wonderful, and lovely, and buff, and strong, and light, and free, and all the great songs, really. That's what I'm trying to say. You'll learn Somewhere Over the Rainbow, Aloha Oi, Can't Help Falling in Love, and of course, and now I'm speechless, over the edge and just breathless. I never thought that I'd get hit by this love again. So yeah, go check out the course. We both look like Jonas Brothers, so we had to throw in a little love bug for you there. But yeah, it's pretty crazy. You could learn ukulele fast, and you know, that's impressive. You can impress the ladies with it, and if you are a lady, you can also impress yourself with it because you are a lady. So, gentlemen and my lady, get the course. You can impress yourself.